Murang staycation in Metro Manila for only 1,249 pesos 2 days and 1 night na. May queen-size bed with 4 pillow, merong magandang day and night city view na pwede mong ma-enjoy, karaoke, unlimited access to the internet, premium Netflix account, premium Prime account, free complimentary snacks at marami pang iba. Hi guys! Yel here with Bobby! So ngayon, pupunta kami ng Urban Deca Tower, EDSA. Dito lang yan located at 69 Sierra Madre Street, Barangay Highway Hills, Mandaluyong City. Sobrang lapit nga nito sa SM Mega Mall, EDSA Shangri-La, Greenfield, Star Mall, at malapit din ito sa MRT Shaw Station. At binabaybay na nga namin ng Sierra Madre Street papuntang Urban Deca Tower, EDSA Mandaluyong. Katabi nga lang ito ng Shell Select Gas Station. And we're finally here! Pagpasok namin ng lobby, nag-register lang kami at nag-iwan ng ID bawat isang tao. So tara, akyat na tayo sa unit! Ayan na! Welcome to M&M Place! Tara at mag-room tour na tayo agad. Here's their queen-size bed, arc-shaped full-body mirror, and here's their kitchen. Pwedeng-pwede kang magluto dyan dahil lahat ng kakailanganin mo provided na nila and also the appliances. They have here the list of kitchen items at gustong-gusto ko dito yung plato nila kasi super syala, diba? Ito naman yung kanilang CR, very minimalist, diba? Provided na yung shampoo, soap, toothpaste, and toothbrush. Meron na din silang 2 pairs of slippers here na pwede mong gamitin. Punta naman tayo dito sa kanilang mini dining table. As you can see, meron tayo ditong complimentary snacks. We have cup noodles, coffee, and also meron silang free 2 bottles of water. Then, proceed tayo sa entertainment area nila. Meron silang smart TV dito na Netflix and Prime ready na. So, pwede tayo mag-movie night. Meron din silang mini karaoke na pwedeng gamitin. Syempre, bilang Pinoy, hindi nawawala ang kantahan. So, pwede mo yan magamit here. Meron din silang board games and card games. O, diba? Kumpleto na. They also offer bigger discounts for longer stay. So if you're looking for an affordable staycation around the metro, you can message M&M Place in their Facebook page and book them in airbnb.com. So ayun lang guys, thank you so much for watching and don't forget to like, follow my Facebook page, follow me on TikTok at Yel Cruz for more rectos around the metro. See you on my next video. Bye-bye!